This is the most easiest way you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how the big boys walk through the back door and then they generate watch hour in their YouTube channel in order for them to get their YouTube monetized. And this is the same strategy I've been able to use to grow more than 3 YouTube channel accounts into monetization in terms of watch hour. So before we dive into this video, if this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, let's dive into the video of the day. If you're actually looking for a way to actually grow your YouTube watch hour, this is the secret trick. Well, first thing you need to do is for you to create a playlist that feature all your videos. So for me, I'm going to head over to my playlist and I'm going to show you the playlist I made. So I made this playlist, call it All Me and More. This is, if you can see, I made this playlist 4 days ago. I update it every day. This is the kind of playlist you will make in order for you to generate as much watch hour you can. So when you do, like, you click on this playlist, it's going to pop up. When it's popping up, all you need for you to do is to go ahead and copy this URL here. When you copy this URL, you come to here and come to this place to say open guest. Like under your Chrome, come to here and come to open guest profile. Just click on guest profile. Once the guest profile is being opened, it's loading. One is going to open. So you are browsing as a guest. You learn more. Don't worry, you are okay on it. So all you need to do is for you to actually paste the link of that YouTube playlist and click enter.
Hello everyone, welcome to my.
Now when you confirm that the link is actually the link that leads to that playlist, you are free to go. So what you need to do is for you to head over to the old Chrome that you used to browse, then come here and you can add a new user. For myself, I've already added a user, so I'll go ahead and click one user from my side and it's going to load, and it's going to load in another Chrome. It's going to load in another Chrome. So let's wait for it to come up. So once it's loaded and open, just head over here and come to where we call settings. Come to more settings. Come to more settings. Okay, you can come to this delete browser data. Yes, when that is open, you now clear the data. When that is done, you now head over here and click on incognito mode. When you click on incognito mode, it's going to open. So when it's open, the first thing you do is for you to go ahead and paste the link and then click enter. Once you click enter, wait it for it to load. It's loading. You're having a poor internet connection here. Let me change it to internet connection that is speed. Let me change it to internet connection that is speed.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy TikTok coins in a very cheap price in Nigeria.
So once that is done, you head over and come here and then you duplicate this. Duplicate is going to load in the same thing. Why let this one continue play?